Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Scroll Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here and there you're looking for uh, Scroll Planner app or just click on search. Then here at Scroll Planner, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on full stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage. You go down, click here on storage. So then it's going to take you to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.